Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. Thanks everybody for joining me, and I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have not already, we talk about anything and everything yarn and crochet related. And I have, if you look in the link below, over 1,000 crochet tutorials for you, all free for you to enjoy, and I put them on still all the time. But today we're going to talk some yarn. So I recently did an unboxing of this new Mandala yarn from LionBrand. It's new at the making of the video, which is 10/4/2022. It's Mandala Impressions. See that? It's beautiful. But today I'm going to tell you about the yarn, and I'm going to do a little bit of crocheting with it, and we can see what it looks like crocheted up and how well it crochets. So I'll go over it just a little bit with you. The Mandala, however you say it. I say Mandala Impressions is it's a bulky 5-weight yarn. I love bulky 5s. So there is their bulky 5. It's a nice thicker bulky 5. And as you can see, it's a self-striping, but it has a washed look to it. It very much resembles Mandala watercolors, but the watercolors is a roving style. This one is plied. You can see there's two plies together. So it's 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 164 yards, 150 meters. You can machine wash on gentle and tumble dry. It is 100% acrylic, made in Turkey. It's very, very soft. Now the recommended knitting needle size is an 8 millimeter, and a hook size would be a 9 millimeter. The color I have in my hand is called Lakeside. Now they do have 6 different colors available. This one is Lakeside. They're all very pretty too. This one is Mermaid. This one is Very Berry. Very pretty. Very pretty. Wildflowers. That's bright. That's a nice one. And this one is called Sunset. This is the one that we will be crocheting with. And then my favorite, of course, is called Nightfall. I love the browns. That's beautiful. But they are all very, very beautiful colors. It's very hard to choose a favorite, but my favorite would be Nightfall, second to Very Berry. Probably because it's got brown in it, and brown's my favorite color. So, as I mentioned, it feels very soft, very scarfable, which means I would wear it against my skin. It wouldn't itch me. It wouldn't bother me. It's very nice. It's a nice, thicker, bulky 5. It's $8.99. I don't think the price is bad, considering yarn nowadays is really, really crazy priced. And you have to remember, it is a bulky 5, so 164 yards of a bulky 5 is going to get you farther than 164 yards of like a 3 or 4 weight, because it's thicker and it goes, you know, the stitches are thicker and it goes a little bit further, I guess I can say. Anyways, I want to do some crocheting with it. Let me turn my camera around. Alright, so I have started and I have done a little swatch here. And I am using their 9 millimeter as they suggest to use. So this is what it looks like so far. That bottom row there is baubles, and this row right here is puffs. You can see them quite well in the pattern. So if you use a special stitch like a bauble, puffs, clusters, cables, I think that you're going to be able to see them quite well. I really have my doubts it being such a washed looking yarn that you'd be able to see any special stitches, but I think that you're going to be able to see them quite nicely. As for the way it crochets, I really didn't have much of a problem. There was a couple times it got hung up because it's plied together. 2 plies together. Once in a while I got hung up and it's a bit fuzzy, but not really. Nothing that would deter me from wanting to use it. You know, I don't think it's going to be a problem for anybody. But as you can see, it crochets quite well. I find it a nice pleasure to crochet with. I love the thickness of it. I love that the baubles and puffs show up nicely. I think it's very pretty, that washed out look, and we'll see how easy it comes out. Want to? Now it is a machine wash and dryable yarn. I highly recommend always hand washing your items if at all possible, but I understand that is not possible for everybody. Especially it's harder if you make big blankets or you're giving them as gifts. I think maybe if you do wash it and put it in the dryer, it might fuzz up just a bit, but probably not a lot, which is my experience. But I think it'll be okay. So as you can see, turned out quite nicely. I like it. Got a knot there. 3 knots are acceptable in a ball of yarn. So that's fine. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's really nice. You know, it feels good using that 9mm. It's not making too stiff of a fabric. If you're wanting to make a stiffer fabric though, you could always drop down to like a 6.5. Fabric could be more stiff, you know, depends on really what you're going for. I think it looks good. Let's pull it out and see how well it comes undone. Easy breezy, coming right out till we get to these puffs. Sometimes pulling out a puff gives you problems, but not these. It's coming right out. So this yarn is very nice. Did I tell you where it was made? Made in Turkey. Okay. I like it. I do. I like it a lot. I had a feeling I'd like it when I saw it though. And crocheting with it just makes it even better. It's beautiful. It's beautiful yarn. You saw it worked up. The special stitches, like, you know, bobbles and whatnot, show up quite well. All right, that's good. You see it came undone. I'm going to turn my camera back around. Okay, final thoughts on this yarn. This was a quick video. Now remember, I'm not affiliated with LionBrand. Do not have affiliated links. I'm not trying to pressure you to buy this yarn, and nor do I care if you do not buy it. I don't care either way whether you buy it or not. I only tell you, people ask me to do reviews, and I just tell you my honest opinions on the yarn. That's what I do. So, I really like it. I like this Mandala Impressions. I think I like it for a lot of reasons. Let's see. The ease of crochet was fine. You know, the stitch definition was great. All 6 colors are very, very pretty. The washed out look it's busy, but it's not so busy that you can't see, you know, like bobbles and stuff. So that's nice too as well. I think the price is fine considering today's market. I love it myself that it's a bulky 5. A lot of people are going to like that you can put it in the washer and dryer. So that's also a nice plus. It is very soft. It's very beautiful. So if I had to rate this on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a solid 9. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it at all. I would definitely repurchase this mandala. I like almost all the mandalas. Almost all of them. My favorite is mandala roving. But this is very nice. I do like it a lot. So like I said, I will purchase it again. And you guys let me know in the comments which one was your favorite color. So yeah, good review on this one. But like I said, I don't care if you buy it or not. You don't have to buy it. My opinions don't really mean nothing. So you take them as you will. If you have the means and you want to give it a go, just buy one, give it a try. Just because I like it, you may not like it. You know, everybody likes different things, and that's what makes the world go round. So I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Whatever that might be. Take care. Bye, guys.